Okay, so let's start. So first, be using moisturizer from Myra. It's a Fresh Glow Whitening Facial Moisturizer. So lalagyan natin yung face and then sa neck. Then, a-apply natin siya ng maayos. So yun, every time na nagme-makeup ako, hindi kailangan mawala yung moisturizer. So, next is this concealer from Everbelena. So, lalagyan ko lang yung dark circles ko and then yung sa may bridge ng nose and sa may chin. So, ayun. Then, after that, I'm gonna put the face powder from Everbelena also with the shade Oriental. So, this is my favorite face powder. So, gustong-gusto ko siya kasi as in perfect siya sa kulay ng balat ko. Kaya, ito yung pinaka-holy grail ko. Hindi siya pwede mawala sa bag ko. And, yes. Next one is this from Everbelena also. I'm gonna use this pink shade. At lalagyan ko din siya ng may pagka-rust na color para maging terno siya sa damit ko. So, every time na nagamit ako ng eyeshadow, I make sure na fit siya sa susuot ko. And for kilay, total may kilay na ako. So, hanggang brush-brush lang ako doon. And then, next is for the lashes. So, yung technique ko dito is 20 seconds mo siyang i-hold para mas lalo siyang mag-curl. So, then, after that, maglalagay na tayo ng mascara. It's from Super Mascara False Lash Effect Waterproof. So, paglagay din ng mascara, may technique ako kasi actually sa mata ako palaging nagpo-focus. So, sa paglalagay ng mascara, 2 beses ako naglalagay. So, first, apply and then let it dry and then second one and then that's it. Kasi mas nagiging makapal tingnan yung pilik mata natin. Okay. And then next is this blush on from Maybelline with the shade number 5. So, number lang yung nakalagay dito. So, I really love this product. Yung color niya is like orange na may pagka-pink. Meron kasi siyang parang natural effect sa face. Kaya gustong-gusto ko yung blush on na to from Maybelline. Okay. Next is, lalagyan ko lang siya ng doble. Kasi masyado tong pigmented na blush on na isa. Which is yung pink. This is also from Maybelline Color Show Blush with the shade Peachy Sweetie. So, ito na yung pink. So, konti lang ilalagay ko. And then, yung paglagay ko ng blush on is sa baba ng eyes. Pataas. Para maging natural yung look niya. Next is this lip moisturizer from Happy Skin Shop Up and Kiss Me Under the Sheets. And then, lalagyan ko din yung lips ko ng lip tint, which is Dark Night shade number 2. So, sa loob lang ng lips ko siya ilalagay, hindi sa buong lips. Sa pinaka-inner lang. So, next is lalagyan ko yung palibot ng lips ko ng foundation. So, up and down yun. So, parang magiging Korean look lip yung dating niya. And then the last one is this Caroline Matte Liquid Lipstick with the shade of Upper Hand. So, ayun, let's go with the hair. So, for the hair, I'm using Tresemme. This is Extra Firm Control Mousse. Kailangan kasing dami siya ng palm mo. And, yung sabi dito is apply the mousse to the hair from roots to ends to cover thoroughly. So, that's it.